What is up, you guys? Today we're going to go over Tesla and the specific trade that I took earlier this morning. You guys know, if you follow my other channel, Traders Helping Traders, we talk a lot about Tesla, but I want to start doing breakdowns on specific trades that I have taken within a day over here on this channel. This channel has kind of just been the secondary channel next to Traders Helping Traders, kind of going over different stocks that you guys are looking at. But a lot of people ask me, like, specifically what type of trades am I taking? That's what I want to use this channel for now, and also for educational purposes as well. So I'm going to use this channel specifically for the trades that I take and also different educational. So maybe doing a whole video on VWAPs, maybe a whole video on selling puts, etc., and probably do a lot longer of a format when it comes to those videos. So if you guys are interested in that, comment down below and let me know. Some of the trading videos are probably a little slower, a little faster, because especially with the day trade, I'm not explaining too much, but the goal here is to give you guys the understanding of why I took a position. So make sure you check out our Discord community. Link is in the description. You guys get free access to courses, live streams, seminars, webinars, and I threw this trade out completely for free. So go check it out. Now, let's look at Tesla. This is my Thinkorswim. Just for a lot of people to realize, if you're watching someone's Thinkorswim, let me just make this smaller here. You can't see any of my account information up here, but make sure if you are watching someone's Thinkorswim that this doesn't say paper trading, or that there's nothing yellow up here. It's very, very easy to falsify what you're doing here, especially if you're using something like Thinkorswim. And the other thing too is, if you come up here to this section, you guys aren't gonna be able to see it because Thinkorswim is trying to hide my info, but there's a little cog up here and there's a button that'll say show your trades. You always want to make sure that you can see, actually right here, show trades. So I can turn my trades on and off. This is going to show you the exact trades. I can't just type here hey, I made money, right? It's going to show you the exact trade. So let's go over this trade and let's talk about why I ended up taking this. Now, first things first, Tesla was down pretty significantly this morning, about 5%. We are still down about 5%. And at this time, I'm going to zoom out a bit. You guys would notice here on this 1 minute chart, this is as soon as the market opened, that we had a lot of volatility. First minute, we dropped all the way down to 975 before pushing all the way up to 986 before pulling back down. And this is where I took my entry. Now, you have to realize I trade with a significant amount of money. I've been doing this a very, very long time, but my day trades are normally only $10,000 positions, which means a 1% move is a $100 move. And I usually only day trade with shares. Now at this time, we double bottomed on the 1 minute. And the other thing I want you to note, I'm going to have to make this smaller and pull up my other window, is that at the time we were trading between this ORB, right? So we had this resistance here at 988. We were trying to tap through. We pulled back. I entered down here at 978, and then I was watching for the breakout over 988, in which we took a run, and then I ended up taking my profit. So this, in theory, would be where the ORB was. We tapped, pulled back. I entered right here. Perfect timing, which doesn't always happen. Perfect timing. We pushed all the way through the ORB where 986 was, and we ran all the way up here to 995. Now, at this time, I was up almost $178 at the time. $178, and then we ended up pulling back a little bit, but I did get out at a very good time. So you can see I ended up closing the day. Let me actually go back. I keep forgetting I got two windows open here, so you guys gotta give me a second. There we go. So at the time, this is what I was looking for, and you can see over on the right, I ended up making $106 on this push, which is not a lot of money, but the fact that I ended up making that in about 4 minutes is not too shabby. Now, I did end up closing this a bit too early, and a lot of people are like, dude, why didn't you hold it? I do have a, like I said, I threw this out for free within the group, so a lot of people are like, dude, why aren't you holding it? Well, number one, we pushed up and we were overextended. So looking at the RSI here, we are extremely overbought within the first couple of minutes. RSI was trading at 73. We're up through the VWAP. Now, if you guys don't know what a VWAP is, I'm probably going to do a video tomorrow talking about VWAPs, how to trade them. But basically, when you're trading between this mid VWAP and the top VWAP, we are bullish within the intraday time frame. So, 1 minute time frame, we're bullish. When we get to the top of the VWAP, this is normally a sell signal. The buy signal is normally down here at the middle of the VWAP. So you can see multiple times you could have ended up taking a 1% trade. This time would have been a 2% trade. So this is normally how you scalp, but we'll talk about this later on. So I closed out this position. We ended up pulling back. We ended up actually having a pretty nice little bull flag here, and then took another run up, which I wasn't too upset about because it was only an extra 0.38%, which would only been $38. Took another pullback, and at this time, I stopped paying attention to it. I'm going to do a video on coin in a couple of minutes, but I stopped paying attention. I took a position on coin, and then this would have been your time to re-enter here at 989, and then we got this pushback up here to 1008, which is about a 2% return. This would have been a perfect trade right here. And the way to also tell, if I bring up black box here, is that where did coin pull, or where did Tesla pull back to, right? It actually pulled all the way back down to the top of this ORB, which used to act as a resistance. Now it's going to act as a support. And then we got that run, which is absolute perfection. So that is why I took it. That's how I took it. If we actually zoom out, I'll be able to show you my trade. No, I didn't trade this on Friday, did I? I don't know if I traded this on Thursday or Friday. Here we go. I did. I traded this on Friday. Same situation here. I was watching for this breakout up over this VWAP, and then we had this nice little breakout, and then I was able to make $113 within 6 minutes, which is not bad. So hope this helps. Comment down below if you want more videos like this. I'm going to do one on Coinbase because I took a trade on that earlier this morning. And if you guys enjoy these videos, please let me know. It's the easiest way for me to continue making content. I'm going to start doing more education on this as well. Thanks for all the support, guys. Peace.